Summer is the perfect time for camping trips, whether it's a weekend away or a full-blown adventure. While the great outdoors offers plenty of fun and exploration, it also requires a proper preparation. Having the right camping gear is essential for ensuring a successful trip. In this video, we will provide an overview of the best summer camping gear and essentials to ensure that your outdoor excursion is safe and enjoyable. So watch the full video and subscribe to the tools guys. Number 1 is Londtren 4 Personal Pop-Up Tent. The first essential is a suitable tent that can withstand any weather condition and protect you from substances. The Londtren 4 Personal Pop-Up Tent is the perfect way to protect yourself from outdoor elements, weather, bugs, or unforeseen circumstances. Made with strong and robust 190T polyester fabric, this instant pop-up tent allows for quick protection where shelter is needed in no time at all. In addition, the pre-assembled poles make setup just that much easier, meaning you don't have to spend any extra time worrying about assembling it when in a rush. This tent offers plenty of room to lounge and relax. At 9.2 by 6.6 feet floor size, the tent is spacious enough to fit 3-4 people in a sitting position, so you can sit back and have fun with all your closest pals. Number 2 is Kootek Camping Hammock. It is made from durable, high-strung nylon fabric materials that make it a dependable product you can rely on. This camping hammock is strong enough to hold up to a whopping 500-pound rating, so that even if you have several people lounging, it will still be able to withstand the weight. It is designed to be amazingly easy to install. All you need are 2 binding strings and a couple of trees or poles, and the hammock's ready to use in no time. And lastly, it's made of a light and breathable nylon fabric that absorbs moisture, allowing you to cool down faster on hot summer days. Number 3 is CLIQ Portable Camping Chair. This CLIQ Portable Camping Chair is the perfect tool for any outdoor enthusiast. With a nearly bottle-sized form factor, this folding chair provides lightweight portability and offers incredible comfort when set up. It's ideal for campers, hikers, or anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. Easily fitting in your backpack or car trunk, this chair is made of lightweight aluminum and nylon fabric. Plus, thanks to its easy setup process, this camping chair can be set up in just 5 seconds. This lightweight chair packs a heavyweight punch, supporting up to 300 pounds. So it's durable enough for every camping trip and outdoor adventure. And lastly, this camping chair weighs in at only 3.5 pounds, so you can easily carry it around with you. Number 4 is FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump. This tiny pump packs a powerful punch. Weighing just 6 ounces, FLEXTAILGEAR's Tiny Pump is as small and light as an egg without sacrificing any of its pumping power. One button operation. It ables to inflate 4-5 swim rings, 6-8 single camping air mattresses, 1-2 thick air cushions, or deflate 10-12 storage bags after one charging. It is also featured a camping light with 8 LED beads that emit powerful light at night. This ultra-portable pump features a powerful 1300 mAh all-lithium battery that lasts up to 15 minutes with just one charge. So you can easily inflate your bike tires by yourself while you're out and about without worrying that the device will run out of power. It is really a useful gadget for campers. Number 5 is BOMKI Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensils. Are you looking for a complete set of tools to bring your outdoor cooking experience to the next level? Look no further than BOMKI Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensil Set. This comprehensive camping kitchen set comes with all the essential cookware accessories in a handy case, making it easy to take with you on any outdoor adventure. The set includes everything from spatulas and tongs for grilling to forks and spoons for eating. Number 6 is 4 Monster Microfiber Camping Towel. The 4 Monster Microfiber Towel is the perfect way to stay dry and comfortable no matter where you're headed. This lightweight towel has a fast-drying material that quickly absorbs moisture, making it suitable for gym, beach, swimming, backpacking, and more. With its soft-to-the-touch texture and generous size, you can enjoy plush comfort while being able to easily transport the towel wherever the adventure takes you. Number 7 is Korbot Camping Fan. The Korbot Camping Fan is the ultimate outdoor companion. With a powerful 20,000 amp 9-inch battery, this fan will let you enjoy up to 60 hours of a refreshing breeze. The USB rechargeable fan also has a handy remote control and an LED light for those camping trips at night. Its lightweight and portable design makes it the perfect accompaniment for any indoor or outdoor event, allowing you to stay comfortable in any environment. Number 8 is Joycube 6-in-1 Detachable Camping Utensils Flatware Set. This is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. This multifunctional set includes all the necessary utensils needed for your camping experience, from a folding spoon, fork, and knife to a wine bottle opener and can opener. You have everything you need in one compact, portable combo set.